Very good morning to you all, my dear students. This is once again Dr. Prasanna T from Government First Aid Women's College, Shumaga, working as head of the department and assistant professor of economics. As you know that yesterday we discussed about the mini session from 1 to 11, which belongs to module 1, or you may call it as chapter 1. Today I am going to start a new chapter. It's on human resource planning, how planning is going to be prepared by a human resource manager, particularly to manage an organization or the company. So this is the 12th session, session 12 that I want to discuss, taking the topic of human resource planning, meaning and definition of human resource planning. As I said in the first chapter, that is human resource management paper, must study in Bachelor of Arts under economics subject, particularly for 6th semester students. The topic, obviously what I am telling, that human resource planning, meaning and definition of human resource planning. Let us start that how planning is all about, and then how planning will be worked out by human resource manager. Before I am going to make the definition or to express the definitions of human resource planning, or to discuss definitions of human resource planning, let me clear that what it is all about. Whether we need planning to run an organization, or whether we need such a type of planning to get effectiveness in human resource management, let us discuss. Dear students, as of now that in my slide I quoted there many meanings of human resource planning. Let me say, what do you mean by human resource planning first? Human resource is one of the important factors of production and performance of the organization, is directly related to the quality of its human resource. Human resource planning is only concerned with the planning the future manpower requirements of an organization. It also includes replacement plans and managerial succession plans. There I want to give many examples that how human resources, it is one of the important factor to get the good number of production, good quantum of production, to getting a good performance, particularly from the organization, that we have to discuss here. And then we also have such types of example that human resource issues must directly related to quality of human resource management. With that management, planning are also an important role have to be focused in an organization. But human resource planning is where we are going to concerned with a little bit of planning future manpower requirements of an organization. As I said, which is very much important as far as the companies are concerned. It also includes the replacement plans. Say, for example, human resource manager are going to prepare action plans, or is going to prepare annual plan, or is going to prepare a rolling plan, or is going to prepare 1 year or 1 year plan, not a long duration plans is going to make it out, because effectiveness if he requires in the management or in an organization, that human resource manager must be act to get a little bit of future manpower requirements, where there is a replacement of plans and managerial succession plans should be appeared. Human resource planning ensures that the organization has the right number and the type of people at the right places, at the right time, doing the right job for the benefit of the individual and the organization. Human resource planning relates to manpower availability in an organization. Obviously, without having such types of planning by human resource, I don't think so there could be a little bit of the availability of manpower in an organization is not a easy job. It is an integral part of corporate planning, as we know that. Yes, it is an integral part of corporate planning, and what do you call, the every organization plans for other factors of production such as money, machines, and market, and it should also plan for human resources worked out as far as human resource planning when we are going to recognize it. Quite obviously, human resource planning is the first step in recruitment, in any recruitment, not only in what we call corporate sector, not only in the private sector, not only in government sector, but also these types of recruitment are going to be established by any management. There should be a planning by human resource, should be prepared by human resource manager. This is the first step in recruitment and then selection and placement of employees. Human resource planning is also known as manpower planning, which is related to personal planning or employment planning. These are all the alternative words that I have taken from various studies, that I took many sources to prepare all these PPTs and then the study material, that human resource planning is always related to manpower planning, personal planning, and also employment planning. This is what the meaning of human resource planning are concerned. When we are going to discuss the definitions of human resource planning, there are many thinkers thought that human resource planning may define in various ways, and they opines that human resource management not having a proper planning, then any company or any organization are not going to get effectiveness in their administration, in their governance, and also a good quantum of production are also not going to get by human resource management. Let us discuss now, dear students, that is the definitions of human resource planning. Let me say, I quoted here 2 or 3 definitions, how these thinkers are made their views regarding human resource planning. Let us see. Number 1, according to Dallas Beach, human resource planning is the process for determining and assuring that the organization will have an adequate number of qualified persons available at the proper times, performing jobs which meet the needs of the enterprise and which provide satisfaction for the individuals involved. This is what the views made by Dale S. Beach. In his perception, human resource planning is nothing but which will provide an adequate number of qualified persons if the human resource management are going to make a proper planning, then that organization, that company will get adequate number of qualified person. He mentioned there qualified persons, skilled person, and then expertise in the some issues is necessary to balance in an organization. And then available at the proper times, performing jobs which meet the needs of enterprise is also be satisfaction of individuals involved, particularly in human resource planning. When you are going to take the definition of Professor Coleman, Coleman has defined human resource planning as the process of determining manpower requirements and the means for meeting those requirements in order to carry the integrated plan of the organization. This is the serious issue mentioned by Professor Coleman. Without having a proper planning where there is a process of determining manpower requirements, if it should be required, there is a planning to meet these types of requirement where we are going to determine in order to carry the integrated plans of the organization. See, without planning, would you believe it or not, we know that after independence of India in 1947, we got a first 5-year plan during 1951 up to 1955-56. Isn't it? 5-year plan we took up, and then for that 5-year plan, what the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru comes up with an issue of to develop rural development and then giving more concentration on agricultural development. What he thought in that 5-year plan is very crucial. So what Coleman is describing here is that human resource planning must necessary where there is an integrated plan to carry all these requirements, particularly in an organization. Moving on to the other definition of human resource planning, and then the last definition. According to Professor Steiner, who defines human resource planning as a strategy for the acquisition, utilization, improvement, and preservation of an enterprise's human resources. It relates to establishing job specification or the qualitative requirements of jobs, determining the number of personnel required, and developing sources of manpower. According to Steiner, what actually he mentioned in his definition, human resource management is always the concept of acquisition and utilization. There is a provision for improvement and then preservation of enterprises, particularly in human resources. That what actually is mentioned in his definition of human resource planning. He also mentioned that qualitative, rather than mentioning quantitative, is mentioned qualitative requirement of job is also requires in where within which it will be determining the number of personnel required and developing the source of manpower is actually matters. Like that, Steiner defines human resource planning. So these are all the definitions of human resource planning. There are three definitions that I mentioned here. One is according to Delius Beach, and then second one is Professor Coleman, and then last one is Professor Steiner are mentioned their views and then expressed their views that what is all about human resource planning in their books. And also in this session, I discussed about the meaning of human resource planning. With this, I have prepared meaning and then definition of human resource planning with the help of all these references that I followed. For more details, for the purpose of further studies or further research, dear students, please follow these references. As I mentioned here, Ashwathappa A, he wrote a wonderful book during 2011. It's on human resource management, where it is Tata McGraw Hill's publication they publish in New Delhi. Second one is I followed Edwin B. Flippo. Number 3 is Gary Dessler and Biju Varki. Fourth one is George Bolander and Scott Snell. Number 5 is Memoria. This is a wonderful book, Memoria CB, and then Gaonkar SV, who wrote Human Resource Management, which is purely published there in Himalaya Publishing House, Mumbai. And then last one is what actually really I followed this book that is written by Subbarao during 2014. This is the recent book that I followed. The title of that book is Essential of Human Resource Management and Industrial Relations. There in Mumbai, again Himalaya Publishing House published this book. I hope, dear students, you understood better the meaning and then definition of human resource planning. With this, I will stop the session 12. I will come up with session 13 with a new dynamic concept of human resource planning. Thank you very much.